Hey guys, you know what day it is. BOXYCHARM day. So this is the January BOXYCHARM. Excited for it, so we'll see how it goes. But before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials. And let's just get into it. We have a box. Open it up. The theme is Fresh Start. I'm assuming because it's January. Makes sense. So the first thing in the box, which I actually already used, was this. This is by Farmacy. It is Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with moringa and papaya. So I used this before I sat down to film. My face, I don't know, just feels like my face. Nothing crazy. Also, I have a mountain. Let's ignore that. But yeah, so this is something you're gonna have, as with all skincare, you're gonna have to use this more than once to see a difference. But let's see. It is $28. It's also like in this frosted like glass bottle. Like it's very heavy. Like when I picked this up, the box up at the office, I was like, oh, this has some weight to it. So yeah. But anyways, so yeah, $28. Alcohol-free 2% BHA. Gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without over-stripping the skin. And it says ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin, which is me. I am all of the above. So, this was made for me. So that's nice that I got something for my skin and not something for dry skin for once. Next in the box, we have this. So, also I'd like to point out, if you add this in here, it's a very cohesive box in terms of like colors and designs and stuff like that for once. I don't know if it's cohesive in terms of like the products themselves, but it's whatever. But anyways, the next thing in the box is this. This is the Apple and Baume Glow Lip Mask by Seraphine Botanicals. It is $25. It says boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, and jojoba and rose hip oils. So yeah, it's just like fancy chapstick is what I'm gathering. But I didn't put chapstick on my lips prior to this because I knew that I was going to be using this. So my favorite chapstick so far is this one. It's the Aquaphor one. Yeah, Aquaphor. It has to be the squeezy tube one. I tried the one that they made into a stick like a regular chapstick and it doesn't work nearly as good. So if you're going to try this, make sure you get this one. But anyways, it's just, oh, it's like jelly. Probably did way too much. It smells really good. Definitely smell the apples. It's pink though, which is interesting. Well, it definitely makes my lips shiny. I definitely use too much, but that's okay. Yeah. So I probably will like this, to be honest. We'll see how my lips are doing towards the end of the video. Next in the box we have this guy, the Olive You Forever palette by Voss. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I saw this. I was looking at like the sneak peeks from BOXYCHARM and I saw this on there as one of the options, and I was kind of hoping I wasn't gonna get it because it's kind of boring. And I don't mean to say that. Like, it's a pretty palette. When I got it, I opened it up, and I was like, oh, okay, it's pretty. But it's a neutral palette, you know, and I just have too many of those. However, all the olive shades, so this one, which is what, Olive Glow, Olive Me, and Olive You, those three shades are really pretty. They're like really pretty shimmers with like a bunch of dimension and stuff. So yeah, but like the rest is just like a neutral palette, you know. I just have too many neutral palettes, but we're gonna put this on. So yeah, let's just get started. And overall, this is a really good palette. It's just, I just wish it wasn't so boring because I have like a million neutral palettes, but it is Violet Voss, and I haven't met, including this one, I haven't met a Violet Voss palette that I don't like, so that's good. So now, the next thing in the box is this guy, and I actually picked this, I think, and when I picked it, there weren't many shades left, so this is probably going to be too light for me, but this is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I got the shade M3, I think. It has SPF 20 in it, too, which is nice. It's $35, but I'm thinking since it is a tinted moisturizer that I can get away with this shade. I don't know, we'll see. I might use my fingers since it's just a tinted moisturizer. Whatever. It's way too light for me, but that's okay. Nothing a little bronzer can't fix. It's definitely got sheer coverage though, which is fine because I feel like usually when you reach for a tinted moisturizer, you're like wanting a little less coverage because it's usually on like days where you're not wanting like a whole lot of coverage and stuff, you know? It's so light. I can't even be like, oh, it'll just be my winter shade because I live in Florida and we don't have winter down here, so. It seems like I can build it up a little bit and get a little more coverage. I don't know if that's just because I'm putting a double layer or if I'm actually like using a brush. But it seems like it's buildable, so it definitely isn't like, it's like buildable to light, you know, not like anything spectacular. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my face and then we'll be ready for the last thing in the box. I finished the rest of my face once I powdered and put bronzer on and stuff. The foundation or tinted moisturizer or whatever looks a lot better. I just finished my eyes. I put Lovebird in the inner corner. It's this really pretty shimmery peachy shade. It doesn't really show up too peachy on my eyes, unfortunately, though, at least on the inner corner. Maybe if I were to put it, like, on the lid, it might. I don't know. But I wanted some, like, warmth on the inner corner, but it's whatever. So the last thing in the box is this guy. Oh, yeah. By the way, the lip mask, lip balm stuff, I like. It's nice. So this is by Trust Fund Beauty. Lipgasm. I think it's a lip gloss. It is $18. A sheer hot peach. Oh, the color is Unprofessional. Hot peach? I don't know if that will go with this look, but we'll see. This is not a hot peach. It does say sheer though, but this is definitely like a coral. Like, this is not gonna go with the look at all, but for the sake of the video, I'll use it anyways. Oh wow. This is so not peach. aside from the color, the gloss seems pretty nice actually. It's pretty glossy, but it's not like sticky. I don't know. I think I'll like it if I, you know, do a look that will actually match this, because this is not peach. This is like bright ass like pinky coral, not even like the orangey coral. The orangey coral. It's definitely like a pinky coral, but it's whatever. I like it. So overall, I think this was a successful box. Let's add up everything. The total is 140, if you can see that. So yeah, as always, you know, it's a good deal. So yeah, I think that's the end of this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, please. I would love to have more interactions with people. It's just so quiet right now. And then follow me on my socials, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.